Subterm with address Lucian Green. 1. Introduction. Ever struggled to locate specific terms within a structure in Prolog? Meet Subterm with address, an algorithm designed to simplify that process. 2. What it is. Subterm with address is a custom Prolog predicate that extends the functionality of the traditional subterm predicate. It assigns addresses to terms within a larger term, allowing you to track their position easily. For example, the term A inside the list A-B would get the address 1, and B would be assigned 2. It's like giving every part of a structure its unique identifier. Examples of how the address mapping works. 1. A for A and A12, B for B and AB. 3. How it works. The algorithm traverses the structure and assigns an address to every subterm. If a subterm is part of a sublist, the algorithm adds a new level to the address to represent the depth of the subterm. For example, in a nested list like A, B, C, A would be located at 1, 1. Flowchart showing the process of address assignment. The algorithm keeps track of the current address at every recursive step, so when a subterm matches find, it already has the correct address for that subterm. The use of append 3 allows dynamically adding elements to the address list as the recursion progresses. 4. Uses. This algorithm has many uses, especially when working with recursive structures. You can search for specific subterms based on labels or properties and then modify or replace them. This is particularly useful in fields like artificial intelligence, automated reasoning, or even medicine, where you must quickly locate and modify terms within complex data structures. 5. Features. The command set includes various useful predicates. Subterm with address finds the subterm and assigns it an address. Put subterm with address places a new value at a specific address. Smooth and folder put. More advanced versions for bulk operations make modifications seamless across large structures. These commands significantly speed up development time in large-scale projects by making finding and replacing subterms easier.
Subterm with address. And then we load list Prolog, and then we find subterm with address of atom A in list A, and then list in that of B1, 2, 3, and that gives instances 1, 1 as the subterm with address for A, because A is in, as well as just being, or at least if it was just A by itself, it would be the address 1, but seeing as it's the first item, which is item 1 here in the first level of the list, then it's that. And then we have subterm with address of string B in list A, and then string list B 1, 2, 3, and that gives 1, 2, 1. So it's A is 1, 1, 1, but B 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, and then B is 1, 2, 1 as the, because B is the first item in so-called item 1, 2.
6. Conclusion. Using subterm with address, developers can drastically improve their efficiency when working with complex terms. To see how this works in practice, head to the GitHub link in the description and try it out for yourself.